Ginny, and I've been a patient of Dr. Bret's for a little over a year now. When I first came to see him, I had been seeing an orthopedic doctor because I had a pain in my shoulder, in the front part right here. I wasn't able to lift my arm higher than this when I came in, and I had been living on 800 milligram ibuprofen for months and months and months. When I came in to see Dr. Bret, I had been given a card by one of my Avon customers to come in for a free consultation. So I took advantage of it, and I came in and I met his staff that was very eager to help me and very caring and sympathetic to my problem. And they took a look at me and took some x-rays, and we worked up a plan, and I'm happy to say that a year later I am now able to raise my arm all the way up. So come see Dr. Bret and let him take care of you and keep your alignment in perfect shape, because it's kind of like your car. If you don't keep it aligned, it's going to go every which way, and you can't trade in your body like you can your car. So come see him and his staff. Have a great day.
Hi, my name is Jordan Downey. When I started seeing Dr. Bret about 4 or 5 months ago, I had a lot of low back pain. I had a lot of tightness in my mid-back. I drive a lot for work, and it was becoming very painful. I was having a hard time doing my job efficiently, and now that I've been coming to Dr. Bret for a couple of months, all of the low back pain is gone. I'm able to drive for long periods of time without any discomfort. The tightness in my mid-back is gone. I tried things like yoga before, and although it was great for stretching out my back for the time being, I had no long-term effects until I started coming to see Dr. Bret. I've done all of the physical therapy, the adjustments are great, and I would highly recommend anyone coming for chiropractic care here.
The red light's on. Hi, my name is George Drake. I'm a retired school teacher, but before I retired, I met Dr. Bret. Well, we call him Dr. Bret. It's Dr. Scheuplein. And he's fantastic. I had some really bad problems with my back. Also, my hips, I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't roll over on one side. I couldn't stay on my back. So finally, I decided to see a chiropractor, and I did visit Dr. Bret. How did I find out about Dr. Bret? I found out at the YMCA. I went to the Central YMCA, and they had a special orientation, and that's how I met Dr. Bret. But after, I would say, 4 or 5 sessions, I could actually sleep on my sides again. Then he started working on my back, because my back was kind of out of line. Like, look at this. These little things here were all out of line. The thing I just dropped on the ground. But these were all out of line, and he straightened them. I feel great. One of the things that really helped me was one of his machines. He has a decompression machine. And you lie on it, you stand up on it, it lays you back. And it kind of gently pulls you apart, and it adds the fluids inside to these little discs here, these little things here. Mine had no water at all inside this, or fluid. They were just on top of each other. The machine actually pulled it apart, allowed water to go back in, and I feel fantastic. It's an absolutely unbelievable machine. So if you got lower back pain, come in and talk to him. He's wonderful. Also, he has a lady who does massage therapy. Her name is Alicia, and Alicia does unbelievable massages. So after you finish with the machinery, after you finish with your sessions, you're all set. Thank you, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.